Well, hello everyone. This is Steve the Oreo Cat. So today we are going to play Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, I'm going to park my car here. Okay. Come on, Mr. Red Creeper. Come on. Come inside. Okay. Wanna have a party? Okay. Sir, where is William?
In the office, sir.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Knock knock.
Come in.
Okay, let's come in. Come on, Mr. Red Creeper.
Coming, Steve.
Mr. William, I was asking for the job. Like graveyard shift?
So, you mean graveyard shift?
Okay.
Steve Smith, the graveyard shift is in Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Oh, that's weird.
And listen, Mr. Steve, animatronics are alive.
Okay. So how much is the budget?
$200 per day.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, thank you, Mr. William. Come on. Let's go to Freddy Fazbear's.
Steve, are you sure?
I mean, William said that animatronics are possessed. That's weird. Okay, we already parked my car. Let's go inside. Come on, Mr. Red Creeper.
Looks like this place
Come
is
on.
abandoned for years.
Creeper, what are you doing? Mr. Red Creeper, come on.
Steve, these animatronics
Let's
are
go
nice.
inside the office. This one looks broken. So this animatronics is not gonna work. It says it's out of order. Come on, Mr. Red Creeper, why are you not moving? Come on, follow me. Come on.
Steve,
Come
can't
on.
you wait?
Come on, Mr. Red Creeper. Whoa. Are you Winnie the Pooh? Nah. Wow, nice suit. Let's go inside the office. Come on, Mr. Red Creeper, come on. We're gonna watch the security cameras.
Steve, are we going to wait here until night?
Okay, it's night time already. Time to watch the security cameras. Look like seems it's normal.
Steve, this place looks creepy.
Like what Mr. Williams said, if animatronics are near, I'm going to close the door. Okay. Let's watch the security cameras again. Wait, where's the chicken? Where's the yellow chicken?
Steve, that's creepy. Need to close the door
Oh, that's
now.
creepy. Wait, she's in the backstage. Oh no, that's creepy. Creeper. Stay here, okay?
Be careful, Steve.
Wait, where's Chica? She's gone. I'm gonna run. Oh. Phew. I'm safe.
Steve, behind you.
Oh, Chica is here. Quick, I need to lock the door. Finally, I locked the door.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and click the bell. Bye!